Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPIinvest.com, where we discuss everything about wealth management that can help you grow financially, and not just that, how to protect your wealth with the right insurance. So, talking about markets first, SDFC is in news, nothing else but the same thing that we discussed just a few days back. I had told you with SDFC, which has the highest weight change. Now, of course, it's Reliance, but SDFC and Reliance, which has the highest weightage, out of which SDFC Bank has fallen down by 18%, and still Indian market was at close to all-time high. What would happen if SDFC rallies? And that's exactly what happened yesterday. SDFC finally took that break from the fall and saw a big rally, and that led Indian stock market to a brand new high yesterday. So at this point of time, Indian stock market is of course looking amazing. But then, will this continue? Definitely not at this point of time. There might be a short term movement upward, but this cannot continue because there is no other trigger at this point of time. And right now, Indian stock markets are kind of getting settled for the elections that's coming up in India. But along with that, since the result season is stopped or over, I would say it is now the global cues that we need to look at. Now, talking about global cues, yesterday, even though Indian markets were rallying big thanks to HDFC Bank, especially the last 1 hour, the way the markets have rallied yesterday was beautiful. But then, yesterday, if you look at the US markets, they've kind of taken a break. So there are two important events. One is the FOMC meeting minutes, which is coming out. This is not a new meeting, but the meeting that has happened in the past, the minutes are being released today. So may not be a great effect on the market. I am not expecting it to be a big event. But yes, one important thing is the Nasdaq would be in focus because Nvidia results are coming today. So Nvidia is one stock which has kind of rallied too much in the last 2 years. Last 1 year, I would say the way it has gone up, and that's something which is something really going to be on the nerves of some investors because I'm sure a lot many people are sitting with some good returns on Nvidia. I personally, my investment in Nvidia is sitting at almost 430 plus percent return. So naturally, somebody would like to book some profit. So that is something that has happened yesterday, and that can be expected. Today till the results come, so markets would be kind of slightly jittery. But let's see how the results come. That would be something which can be interesting to watch. So these are things that's happening in the US market. As far as India is concerned, Indian markets are absolutely in a jolly mode, absolutely in volatile mode. They really don't know where they have to go because there's nothing to stop them from going up. Neither is something to go stop them from going down. So I mean, it cannot go down because the support is so huge. There's so many people getting invested in mutual funds, and SIP fund flow is huge. So falling is not a question. Actually, also if you see FIAs have sold, sorry, FIs are foreign institutions. So they have actually sold in the Indian market. Still, the markets have actually gone up. So there's huge fund flow which is coming in right from the retail investors, which is taking the market up. And this can continue to take the market up for some more time. Some more time in the sense about 3 or 4 years, or at least next 10 years can be great for Indian market. So based on that, this is something which is something downside has a limited range, but on the upside there is no limit. So at this point of time, so Indian markets are looking great to invest on SIP mode, and we are doing that and definitely reaping benefits out of it. Sorry. So these are things that's happening in the market. So based on all this, the only thing I would say at this point of time, not a great time to do lump sum investment to equity market, but then of course a great time to continue the SIP because nobody knows whether the markets would rise up further from here or would take a break. But whatever it is, SIP investments have always yielded amazing returns. Simple thing is get invested and stay invested and get amazing returns. It's how early you stay, or how early you start your investment, and how long you can hold it in the market is something that's more important. And India is definitely poised for great growth in the next upcoming years. Do take the benefit of it. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Let's see how the market goes today. And tomorrow is expiry. Today is the Bank Nifty expiry. Markets are going to be taking a roller coaster ride, but for investor, as an investor, you don't have to worry about all these things. Simply invest, stay invested. If you still have doubts on how these things need to be taken, just connect with us at mpiinvest.com and schedule a meeting with us. It's completely free of cost. understand how you can start saving and make money, not just in the stock market, but in your entire life. So we bring that financial discipline into you with the right investment packages. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Until we catch up tomorrow morning with more details. Goodbye. Have a great day.